Hello viewers, welcome back my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint maple leaf on fabric. I'll show you step by step maple leaf. If you want to learn more detail, then watch video till the end. Here I took a cotton dress. It is a Punjabi which the boys wear. I have taken a board here. I will wrap it with poly. If you want, you can use the frame. I will insert the board through the Punjabi. I will use acrylamine color here. If you want, you can use acrylic color or textile color. Ink and binder must be mixed with acrylamine paint. And I will use white base as white color. Do a Google search for maple leaves photography. We will look at the color of this leaf, its shape, its size, tree, its branches. I will look at the drawing detail of this leaf and then sketch. Here I have drawn with pencil on the fabric. I am very sorry that part of drawing didn't appear in the camera video. I will color the maple leaf with acrylamine color. I'll show you the full detail from the beginning to the end. You will observe well. Here I will draw the leaves by mixing different color. Here I will use different color to paint leaf and will use different shades. Those of you who haven't seen my previous video will see the previous ones, and those who are new, please subscribe. So let's see how to paint maple leaf. Since this leaf is very colorful, I will mix a lot of colors slowly and work on the details. You will see that color mixing video is given in the description box. After drying the layer of the paint in the first step, paint should be applied in the second step, otherwise the paint may spread. Since this painting will be very simple, I will not put too much color brightness. Here I took a dry brush. In it I'm taking a very light stroke. Then to bring out the sharpness of the leaves, I will give a sharp line with dark color. You must practice this maple leaf. You can comment on how you like the video. That's all today's video. Hope you will learn something new. If you want to learn something more to me, please let me know. Please let me know. I will answer you. If this video is helpful for you, please give a like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. See you next video.